Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change messages background in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung device and you want to change your background in messages, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to look for Samsung messages instead of Google Messages app. If you can't find it, you just have to open your Galaxy Store and from here you can easily download and install the app. And once you have, just tap on Messages app and here just tap on continue with Samsung messages, then select messages app, and then set as default. Once you have that, you'll get all of your messages here. You just have to select the chat for which you want to change background. And I'm going to change for this one. Just tap on it. And here just tap on three dots in top right corner. Go for customize chat room, and here you will get different things you can easily select. If you want to select any theme from photos, just tap on this gallery option, and here you will get your photos. You can easily select background from here. So that's how you can easily change background in messages in any Samsung device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.